Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable alert when Clipboard is accessed on your Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you copied anything on your Samsung Galaxy A54 Clipboard, let's say just copy this to your Samsung Galaxy A54 and then you say copy to Clipboard. Now you want to be alerted if there is any third party that have access to your Clipboard each time you copied text, images, or important documents, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now what you need to do is go ahead and open the settings app, scroll down the A54 settings page and click on security and privacy. Scroll down the security and privacy page and then make sure you click on additional privacy controls. Then here you should see alert when Clipboard accessed. Now to enable this feature, just toggle this on, then get an alert when an app access text, images, or other content you've copied. So whenever you copied any text on your Samsung Galaxy phone and a third-party app is trying to access the clipboard or the copied text, you'll be notified that someone is trying to access your copied clipboard. So you may choose to allow the access or deny the access. So that is basically what you need to do to enable alert when clipboard is accessed on your Samsung Galaxy A54. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.